everybody! How's your day? TGIF. Ito na ang ating much-awaited na gift ng isang taon. So, samahan niyo kami sa ating late unboxing! Whoops! Whoops! Wow! Wow! Okay, ma-practice ka na gito ni kanta. Ay, nakita mo. Oh!
Let's open it.
I know it's connected to a phone or a Wi-Fi. Wow! Thank you, Lord. May speaker na tayo na portable na pwede nating dalhin sa mga lokal kung saan tayo mag-fellowship. Ayan. Ang late na unboxing ng Christmas gift.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to touch. Don't bring me down, I pray. Oh, pretty baby, now that I found you, stay and let me love you, baby. Let me love you. La 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 la. Okay, your turn.
Okay, now.